Hello, I am Dr. Sanjib Patra, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, IIT Kharagpur. I am offering a course entitled Metallocene and Metal-carbene based organometallic compounds as industrially important advanced polyolefin catalysts. As you know, we are in the plastic age. Plastic have replaced many of traditional materials like wood, steel, concrete and the various alloys and other materials. And among the synthetic polymers, polyolefin category of the polymers playing a major role in polymer industries and in the global market. These are some specific examples, representative examples you can tell, and there are many more synthetic polymers of high industrial importance. So, we know that we synthesize polymer from the corresponding monomer, and various polymerization protocols have been developed time to time, like from the traditional radical to control radical to anionic and then organometallic catalysts, which are very recently developed in the last 2 decades or so. And why the need to develop the new polymerization protocols or new organometallic catalysts? So, as you know that applications of the polymers depend on the properties of the specific polymers, and again this properties is governed by the chemical structure, and again the chemical structure is related to the synthetic protocol, because in the polymer with this, even though it is same composition, the properties entirely depends on the chemical structure, microstructure, the linearity or branching of the polymers. So, we need a specific polymerization protocol to have a specific chemical structure for our targeted applications. So, in this course, our main focus will be to address the understanding the concept, the designing of principal catalysts, reaction mechanism and developing pathways of the popular catalysts, which are the metallocene and metal-carbene based organometallic catalysts. These two categories of catalysts have revolutionized the polymer industries for their specific advantage, which will be discussed in the course in a very systematic way. As you see that these are the metallocene based catalyst, by structural variations, by changing this bridging or by substituents, you can change the symmetry, and this symmetry can govern the polymer microstructure and tacticity and the chemical structure of the polymers. Even another interesting category is the metal-carbene. So, both of the catalysts will be discussed, and to understand the structure and symmetry of organometallic catalyst, to govern the polymerization and to control the structure and microstructure and tacticity associated in the polymer. A systematic approach will be followed to understand the polymerization mechanism. So, the course is interdisciplinary in nature, comprising the knowledge of organometallics, polymer, catalysis and materials chemistry. A basic knowledge of organometallic chemistry and polymer will be highly beneficial. However, if you do not have any organometallic hardcore course in your in a previous course, there should not be any problem, because we will discuss in a very systemic and a simple way to understand the mechanism. As it is a perfect blend of the academics and industry interest, so the UG, PG and PhD students from various disciplines like chemistry, chemical engineering, polymer science and engineering will be highly beneficial in this course. Not only that, the industrial person specifically for polymer industries will be highly interested for taking this course. So, I request that you register this NPTEL course and appear for the exam, and I believe this course will be highly useful to select your catalyst, to design your catalyst for a specific polymers you are targeting for. So, thank you very much and see you in the class.